Dogecoin is going absolutely parabolic, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this. We just broke over 400 members in Telegram channel, as well as the fact that we took a beautiful 50% shorting opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, if you guys have not joined the Telegram, make sure to do so. The link is in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Doge, we saw a very nice short squeeze opportunity. And as you guys know from yesterday's video, I mentioned the fact that it's going to be very crucial from the bullish case scenario in order to hold above the 0.075 level. You can see that our exponential moving averages were also being used as support, which I did mention to you guys is probably the first time after a very long time. And this is exactly what we were waiting for. The main area of target that Doge had to break above for a short squeeze was remaining at 0.08. And you can see as soon as we broke above that level, we saw a very nice wick opportunity. Now, of course, the question remains is whether or not Doge is going to be looking for that fake out or a stronger bullish case scenario. And before I get into that, I do want to talk about a few things. Number one, looking at the price action, this candlestick right here was extremely bullish because of the fact that not only did we break above a very key resistance level, but as well as the fact that we did see volume come into the market. This is probably the first time after a very long time that we did see volume come into the market. But right now, if we focus on the 4-hour time frame, you'll notice the fact that we are in extreme overbought conditions, as well as the fact that we are starting to see some sort of rejection candlesticks. What I'm going to be paying very close attention to, of course, is to see whether or not we end up using the same level here at 0.08 as support, or even getting a wick opportunity down to our exponential moving averages. But everything in terms of a continuation is looking for that 0.088 retest. Now, I did talk about this level multiple times to you guys before because of the fact that you can see once we entered this zone, this area of opportunity has become a very strong resistance. Now that we have broken above our first crucial target, this means the fact that we are now for the continuation, and our overall goal from the bullish case scenario is going to try to break above 0.088. The reason why this level specifically is looking at Doge from the broader perspective, you can see that this level has acted as a very strong resistance multiple times, and getting above this level is going to be the deciding factor to know whether or not Doge is going to be expecting that massive short squeeze. For those of you that are part of Telegram, as well as those of you that have been watching my videos for a very long time, you guys already know I mentioned in order for Doge to see an absolutely parabolic move, we would have to use 0.088 as support. You can see from previous price analysis, we failed to break above that level multiple times, and as of right now, it does look like the bulls are trying to reclaim that territory once again. Assuming we do end up holding that level at 0.088, we could be looking for a very large inverse head and inverse bar formation looking out to play. The reason why I mentioned this inverse bar formation, this is something that I talked about a very long time ago when we saw this massive breakdown on Doge and we started to consolidate. I mentioned to you guys multiple times that as long as we don't end up losing below the 0.057 level, we do have this inverse bar formation looking to play out. Now looking at the 4-hour time frame, of course, if we assume that we do break above 0.088 with volume coming into the market, this would cause a massive short squeeze opportunity. The reason why is because looking at Doge on the 4-hour perspective, you can see that we have already tested 0.11 multiple times. We saw 3 beautiful test opportunities before that breakdown formation, and assuming we do see a larger short squeeze on Doge, this could be the start of an absolutely parabolic rally. We saw the same exact situation happen over here as soon as Doge broke above 0.088. You can see within 1 day we saw 3 massive green candles breaking above that range, which is why I've been telling you guys that the overall deciding factor before we continue that run up is going to remain at 0.088. Now, of course, looking at the daily time frame, you'll notice the fact that we did see a very clean breakout formation, but we still have to be very careful because although although we do have this continuation trade happening right now, everything would depend on 0.088. If we do end up getting to that level and seeing that rejection candlestick, then that's going to be the confirmation for that continuation short. Of course, that would just mean that this move set was a smaller short squeeze opportunity to grab liquidity and continue pushing lower. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful